What are the differences between MLB and NBA athlete contracts? Breaking news in the world of sports. Fans and aspiring athletes are buzzing about the differences between athlete contracts in Major League Baseball and the National Basketball Association. With recent discussions about player salaries and contract negotiations, it is crucial to understand how these contracts differ. Let's break it down so you can stay informed. First, Major League Baseball contracts often have longer terms, sometimes lasting several years or even decades. These contracts usually come with guaranteed money, meaning players receive their full salary regardless of performance or injury. This reflects the league's traditions and collective bargaining agreements. In contrast, National Basketball Association contracts typically range from 1 to 5 years. These contracts can be fully guaranteed or partially guaranteed, giving teams more flexibility to waive players. This flexibility can impact how contracts are negotiated. Next, let's talk about salary caps. The National Basketball Association has a hard salary cap system, which includes exceptions like a luxury tax threshold. Teams that exceed this threshold must pay additional taxes, which affects contract negotiations and team building. On the other hand, Major League Baseball does not have a hard salary cap. Instead, it uses a luxury tax system, known as the competitive balance tax, to discourage excessive payrolls. This allows for more flexibility in contract sizes, but it can also lead to significant differences in team payrolls. When it comes to free agency, Major League Baseball players usually enter arbitration after 3 years of service time. This process allows for salary negotiations before they become eligible for free agency. It is a unique system that plays a significant role in player contracts. In the National Basketball Association, players can become restricted or unrestricted free agents based on their years of service and contract status. Unlike Major League Baseball, there is no arbitration system in place, leading to different negotiation dynamics. Another key difference lies in contract structures. Major League Baseball contracts often include signing bonuses, performance incentives, and options that can affect contract length and salary. These contracts are detailed, with clauses for injury protections and deferred payments. National Basketball Association contracts tend to be more standardized due to collective bargaining rules. While they may include incentives, the contracts generally follow a salary scale based on years of experience and performance tiers. Both leagues operate under their respective collective bargaining agreements, which dictate contract terms, dispute resolution, and player rights. However, the Major League Baseball collective bargaining agreement emphasizes service time and arbitration, while the National Basketball Association collective bargaining agreement focuses more on salary cap management. In summary, Major League Baseball contracts are typically longer, fully guaranteed, and include arbitration rights, while National Basketball Association contracts are shorter with a mix of guarantees and flexibility. Understanding these differences can provide clarity on how contracts shape the careers of athletes in both leagues.